We have a Chihuahua that, now she probably won't do it, there she is, has this awful, awful cough. And she holds her head down, and then she'll gag. Well, she didn't gag, but it makes me terribly sad that she is going through this, because it looks like it takes it all out of her. And we've learned that it's what they call kennel cough. And that, what is that medicine called?
Robitussin DM.
Robitussin DM is what you're supposed to give them. Oh, excuse me. It's supposed to be contagious, but the Robitussin DM is supposed to help.
It gives them some relief so their body can fight off the infection or fungus or whatever it is. Irritation. It's inflammation is what it is.
Is what it is. But anytime she gets excited, it triggers it, and it just sounds so bad.
Snow.
Coming from a little bitty dog.
Snow.
And she's old too. She's 15 years old. Oh. She's such a sweet little dog. She's an albino. I don't know if you can tell that with her red eyes. Her eyes are red even without the light. And they do glow in the dark. Oi. Here's our other one, little girl. Of course, she's creepy looking. Her eyes flash with the lights. And our big dog thinks he's little, getting on a little bitty cushion. He's a mess. But anybody has any suggestions, we would like to hear from you. It would be appreciated if you know what to do. We're going to be taking her to the vet.
But it's going to be a few days.
Yeah, it's going to be a few days. But it will happen. We're going to get her all groomed. She's never had that other than us bathing her in the sink. So, anybody that has any input, like I say, it'd be appreciated. Any suggestions, because it's just really bad. Other than going to the vet, we're, like I say, in a couple of days. But beforehand, we would appreciate it. Alright, that's it. If you like this video or think it's okay, give it a thumbs up. Talk to you later. Bye.